It's time to refresh our 8-day-old twist, and we're going to do that using some mousse from CurlMix and a do-rag. So as you can see right now, my twists still look good, but they're getting a little frizzy and fuzzy. We're going to tame the frizz with this refresh. We're going to use lots and lots of mousse. This happens to be the pineapple setting mousse from CurlMix, but you can use your mousse of choice. I am going to slather it on really, really good so that it can nourish, moisturize, and tame these flyaways. See, the mousse is flying away too, but I'm going after it. We are not losing any mousse. We're going to use it all on our twists. And I'm going to put a little bit of mousse, not just on the roots, but kind of going down on the strands a little bit. But wherever you have flyaways is where you can apply the mousse. Don't want to forget the back section. And we're going to get that mousse off from the front, the back, and the sides of our hands as well. So I'm making sure that my twists are really saturated and that the mousse is penetrating, more than just the surface area. I'm going in a bit heavy with this mousse because I want them to lay down really nicely. And I'm even going in to squeeze a little bit of the mousse inside my strands by grouping a handful of them together and just kind of squeezing down the strand to make sure that it is as saturated as possible. But I didn't go all the way down, but I think I did pretty good. What do you think? Now it's time to add our scarf. So this is shaped like a normal do-rag, which has the head cover. I look like Nacho Libre. I digressed. So this is your natural do-rag. It has the head part, and it has the tails. So I'm just making sure to get all of my twists tucked in there so they can all be held down and flattened. And I'm going to tie this around the front so that can help just to reinforce them to keep them in place. And I'm just going to tie one tie. It's not a knot, but that's good enough. Now we are off to the dryer, sitting under the hooded dryer on a high fan but a low heat. I'm using low heat just because of my hair properties, in particular because my hair is thin, medium density, so that heat really penetrates my head. So low heat for me. 45 minutes later, let's see what we have. It feels set. Ooh. It looks set. Definitely looks fresher. It looks fresher than it did when I started. Yes. This looks like a 1-day set or a 2-day set. It looks good. Look at the side. It looks good. Look at the other side. Yeah, I'm liking it. This is definitely an improvement from before where I had all of those flyaways. Now the flyaways are gone. I love it. I love it. Go refresh your twists.